Oh, have money, will travel. Have you ever seen someone who has money, without a partner? Hello YouTube friends. My name is Isaiah. Do you want to potentially make hundreds of dollars per day as a teenager? Even if you are older? Well, if so, you are in the right place. Because we are introducing you to Matt Parr, who has made hundreds of dollars per day ever since he was 15 years old. You are lucky to have selected this video to look at. Today we are going to introduce you to Matt Parr and his brilliant strategy to making well over $300 per day as a teenager. Feel free to refer this video to your friends who will no doubt appreciate it. Matt started his online money-making journey when he was just 14, by 15 was making more than most of his friends, by 16, Matt was making more than his parents. Matt is not saying this to brag by any means. He is not acting like he is some sort of genius or something, but he does feel incredibly lucky. He has stumbled across what is, in his opinion, the best way of making money online that doesn't require you to work 24/7. Matt knows as a teenager that it can be hard to manage life. With school and everything else, it is difficult. But luckily, we live in a day and age that allows us to use leverage in order to make way more money than was possible in the past. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. For people Matt's age, Matt is 23 years old as of 2024, he makes millions of dollars per year. Again, he is not saying that to brag, but just showing you what's potentially possible, if you put in the work. Still here. As a teenager, what's possible years down the line is almost unimaginable. Now most people who watch this video are going to do nothing with it. Obviously Matt cannot guarantee that you are going to make millions of dollars just by watching this video. What Matt can guarantee though, is that you are going to learn the same exact tactics that brought him from zero, to making well over $300 per day as a teenager. Today Matt makes thousands of dollars every single day. The way that Matt started making money online was by running YouTube channels. Now these are not YouTube channels like you are probably thinking of. It does not entail getting behind a camera showing your face and becoming this influencer. No. These are channels like Brainy Dose, for example, which just produces faceless content with a voiceover on top of that content. Your age doesn't matter. What you look like doesn't matter. All you have to do, is record your voice, or even just use AI tools like 11 Labs, to generate a voiceover for you to generate videos like this. Today, Matt runs over 12 different YouTube channels that do just this. He makes over $330,000 per month just from ad revenue alone, not to mention well over $100,000 a month from many different monetization sources. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Now obviously, that won't happen overnight. But to get to the point where you are making a couple hundred per day doing this is more than possible. There are thousands of different channels that have reached this milestone, and again, your age doesn't matter, or anything else. This is applicable not just for teenagers. No matter what your age, with watching this video, you could potentially do this. Let us start with step number 1, which is choosing a niche. Now don't make this complicated for yourself. Let us simplify things as much as we possibly can. When it comes to choosing a niche, there are a couple of best categories. Matt just recommends choosing a niche within one of these: fitness, for one, and health, for another, finance, which includes making money online, investing, and stuff like that, is another good one. Others include relationships, travel, and technology. Technology is like tech tutorials, showing the latest gadgets and stuff like that. The reason these topics and categories work so great on YouTube is because there is evergreen demand. People are always going to be interested in these topics. They generally make more money per 1,000 views because there's so many advertisers that want to put ads on this type of content. Good stuff, yeah. That being said, when it comes to choosing a niche, his general best recommendation is to choose something you genuinely find interesting, and something you are likely to stick with long term. Do not just choose a niche based on the amount of potential money you could make. Matt does want you to make an informed decision, which is why he is telling you this. Also, Matt has a video on his channel that goes over the top 30 best niches on YouTube. Now it is time for step number 2, coming up with video ideas. Matt has this system that he is going to share with you, where he came up with unlimited video ideas for his channels. It is super simple. Matt gets half of his video ideas from already popular videos. So that means going out there on YouTube, searching your niche, sorting the videos by the most viewed in the past 6 months, and finding multiple ideas that have over 100,000 views in those 6 months. Matt gets half of his content that way. The remaining half of his content comes from keyword research. Matt uses tools like vidIQ to search his niche, see the top keywords that came up, and figure out how he could craft interesting videos based on that. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training. Let us say, for example, that Matt searches his niche, and his niche is airplanes. Matt searches airplanes on vidIQ. One of the top keywords that comes up is airplane crosswind landings. That tells him that he should make a video like, Top 10 Best Airplane Crosswind Landings. If you repeat this process, you will continually find more and more video ideas. In fact, Matt believes that you will find unlimited ideas with this process. But generally, the best practice with this is to just go in batches of finding 30 ideas at a time. So find your first 30 ideas, write them all down, and then move on to the next step. Step number 3, generating your content. Notice how Matt said generating, instead of sitting down, recording videos and doing all that. You can actually generate your content with a lot of the tools that are out there today. All you have to do if you are doing this yourself as a broke teenager, for example, is to open up a Google Doc, and write down a script that's about 1,600 words. That will be about a 10-minute video. The reason for that is because we want to make videos longer than 8 minutes. So we can put multiple ad breaks through the video and in turn have the potential of making a lot more money. The way that you are going to make money doing this is, YouTube will put ads on your video, and you may get a cut of the revenue every single time someone views an ad before or on your video. Just waiting. When it comes to writing your script, you can use tools like ChatGPT to assist you, which will help with doing AI video writing. Always make sure to put things in your own words though, because at the end of the day, we want to give people as much value as possible. One way you can give people a ton of additional value, is by opening the top 3 videos that come up on a certain topic. So let's say we are doing that video about the top 10 airplane crosswind landings. We open the top 3 videos that come up and we notice some of the videos show these clips. So we will make lists of the clips that seem to resonate with people the most. The way we will do that, is by going to the comment section of those videos, and writing down what people are talking about. People generally leave timestamps like, oh check out this one. Or check out this one. at this point, and we will write all of those down. Then we will make sure in our script to mention those ones. We are not just copying an individual video. We are taking the best parts from multiple videos to make ours the absolute best. In turn, we are providing more value to the end viewer. I think that we have come far enough now to give you a bit of an insight into what Matt may be able to do for you. Matt's teachings can enable you to have some success in learning how you can make hundreds of dollars per day as a teenager, or at any age, really. Don't forget, refer this video to your friends and family. To help us help you, please hit the like button, subscribe and the notification bell. After watching, click the link at the top of the description below to take you to Matt's free training.